Did you know that one lemon provides over 50% of your daily vitamin C needs? And that's just the beginning? Beyond boosting immunity, lemons can do wonders for your skin, heart, and even mental well-being. Lemons are more than just a zesty addition to your water or favorite dish. They're tiny nutritional powerhouses. But many people don't realize how beneficial they are beyond their tangy taste. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden health benefits of lemons and why they deserve a place in your everyday routine. There's a common misconception that all citrus fruits offer the same benefits, leading many people to overlook lemons specifically. Some assume that lemons are only good for adding flavor, while others believe they're too acidic to be healthy. What if we told you that lemons contain unique properties that go beyond just vitamin C, from aiding digestion to balancing pH levels? Let's dive deeper into the health benefits that make lemons so special. Lemons help flush toxins from the liver and promote hydration, kickstarting your body's detox system. The high levels of vitamin C found in lemons are known to strengthen the immune system, reducing the frequency and severity of illnesses. Lemons contain antioxidants that help fight free radicals, promoting glowing skin and reducing signs of aging. Studies suggest that lemon consumption may reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. And the scent of lemon has been linked to stress reduction and mood enhancement, making it a natural way to lift your spirits. Here's something you might not expect. Lemons can help with weight management by reducing hunger and curbing sugar cravings. In fact, many nutritionists recommend drinking lemon water in the morning to kickstart metabolism, and if that sounds too good to be true, just ask those who've swapped sugary drinks for lemon water and seen a noticeable difference in their energy levels and waistlines. Incorporating lemons into your daily routine can improve your digestion, skin, immunity, and heart health, while also giving you a refreshing mood boost. Clearly, these little yellow fruits offer more than just a pop of flavor. What's your favorite way to use lemons? Lemon water, salad dressings, or perhaps in desserts? Let us know in the comments. And if you're curious about more ways to stay healthy, be sure to check out our next video on easy nutrition tips for a vibrant lifestyle.